Why did I do that? That was a joke. Actually, that was no. Cut the camera. Hello. Chicken nugget. So just got back from the gym. I just don't walk around with a vest all the time, so I just got back from the gym. Gonna cook some food. I'm gonna show you how a uni student eats food. Well, for me, just suffers. Oh, darkness, my. They don't actually cook. Okay. They do cook, but like, just nothing fancy. Okay. My arm's getting tired. It's not shaking right. Camera's up. Let's see what time it is. The time is. 11:18. It's a bit late, but yeah. If you're a uni student, you see a lot of this. None of it's mine. My flatmate's gonna get. They're just too much. Like, just is. Look at that, just piling up. Lovely stuff that is. Look. Anyways, I only have my washing up in my room. Not my washing up. One plate. That's for a little kiwi. And Mum, I said to my mum, don't send me kiwis. Like, don't. It's basically tips on me. Tip one: always do your washing up after you cook. So you cook your food. Put your food quickly and just quickly do your washing up straight away. That would be so much easier because when it just piles up, like I just showed you, it's just pain in the backside. I'm just do my washing up quickly and we get into cooking. Hello, chicken. As I'm in the final year, you're thinking, man's got experience. Do I have experience? We're gonna see. We're gonna see if I've got experience. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Gonna burn. Probably gonna burn if the camera. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna burn. It's wasting money, right? Why would it burn? Come on now, I'm fine here. Tip number 2, get yourself a jug. This really helps out, trust me. When in first I used to always have water bottles in my room. This jug, just fill up your water. Don't drink like this, no, don't drink it. You just save so much money. Tip number 2. Ting ting ting. Dash a bit of oil, you know. Bang bang, a little bit. SALTBAE, Turkish, you know. See that? Wait for it to, get a bit of warm. Ooh, look at that, mate. Look at that oil. Put the kettle on. Meanwhile, don't worry. Accommodation will provide you one of these bad boys. Just that on there. Boom, boom, pat, pat, po. Fill up low. Dash a bit of veg. If you want to eat healthy, get the healthy lifestyle. Get that healthy lifestyle. Oh, wait. It's a bit too hot. That's my chicken on here. Look at that, thing. Why did I do that? That was a joke. Actually, that was no. Cut the camera. Could actually cut the camera, mate. Put me off, mate. It's put me off. Dash the veg on here. Boom. Carrots. Oh, the peas. Not too much. Cutting the portions down. Tip number 3. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification icon, like you see now. Wait. There we go. And actually check my videos out. It'll be nice. Cheeky little view and subscribe. Sweet potato. Next time, put the heat up too much. Dash this on here. Boom. Got to take out my rice. I'm meant to have chicken, rice, and a bit of veg. Trying to get that bode. Next time, also chop this bad boy up. I don't know why we chop it up. Get your spices up, There we go. Look at that. Looking nice it is. And my veg. You know what you could do? You could do your washing up. Shots fired. I'm joking. Both my vegan and my vegetarian. Pick off the video. I just love my chicken, mate. I love my chicken. Okay? Tip number 4, maybe 3 or 4, I don't know. Make sure you wear something that is, if it smells, it's not a big deal. Because sometimes I remember, like, my first year, flatmate was going to be cooking. I'll wear it on my clothing. Not something like I come back in my room, it will just stink. It's not good. Make sure you wear something like appropriate. Don't mind flex. No, I'm not even flexing. And by the way, to all the haters, you can see it's actually halal, mate. Look at that. All the haters are like, oh, is it halal? Mate, it is halal. Get rid of this water. And for the finishing touch, it's my arm in it. I'm trying the SALTBAE off. Wow. Not because I'm Turkish or anything. The next step is washing up. Do your washing up quickly. Bang bang, get this all done. Go to your room and enjoy this lovely meal. Look at that. Oh.
Are you normal? Are you normal? Are you normal? Eh?
This is the most simple meal. I want to eat healthy. I want to get into shape. Very simple, chicken and vegetable. Nothing special, is it? You know, everyone could cook. Sixth formers, college, going into first year. No need to panic. You know, everyone could cook. I'm in final year. Look at that. You know. Boom! I normally cook ravioli. I can normally cook like a nice dish. You know, sushi. I do that normally. But today, you know, you have to deal with a bit of chicken and rice. I'm normally a chef. You know, I've got a certificate. Look, that's my certificate there.
Wildlife!
Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Honestly now, I'm not you just cook pasta and tuna and pepper and like. Some people cook in bulk. I used to cook in bulk in the first year. I used to do tuna and pasta quite a lot and then like put it into little boxes and then have it every day. It just gets a bit sickening, I'll be honest. It's up to you. Sometimes you cook it every day. I'll try to cook as much as I can, you know. Doing the SALTBAE, you know, as my Turkish fella, you know, down in Dubai. He's everywhere now, isn't he? But anyways, food's getting cold. I'll do my washing up. Yeah, that's one of those tips. Hope you enjoyed it. This is how to survive at uni, you know. Honestly, it's just so simple. We don't have to stress. I know people are like, oh, what we're gonna cook, you know. Bang bang. You'll eat healthy as well. Might have to treat myself to a KFC now. I'm joking. Only kidding. Okay, another tip before there's so many tips. I think this is tip number 4. Get your mum to portion everything out. So if she has chicken, portion it out, or rice, portions it, puts into little they're not containers but little plastics, or it's hard to explain it, but you know, hopefully you understand what I mean. Put it into the freezer, take it out of the freezer a day before, put it in the microwave and eat it, and just it's so much easier, you save so much time. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. Please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification on, like my videos or like this one if you want, it's up to you. Yeah, catch you later, see you soon.